Read this poem to know which plant came from where. Did you know this? So, here you can see the potato. Yeah? The potato from South America. Look at this. From South America long ago came a tomato, potato and green chili. So this potato, this tomato and this green, this is not green chili, this is green chili. Okay. So tomato, potato and green chili, they all come from South America. Yeah, they all are coming from South America. From South America, potato, tomato and green chili are coming, right? Now this is cabbage. Yeah, so children, here we are talking about the cabbage and the pea. Yeah, so cabbage from Europe. Okay, cabbage from Europe and also a pea. So this, in this diagram we can see there is a cabbage here. Yeah, there is a cabbage here and the pea here. So this cabbage and pea, they have come from where? They have come from the Europe. Okay. So this pea and cabbage together, they have come from the Europe. Right? So potato, tomato and green chili come from where? From South America. Right? Now moving ahead. From Africa. What came from Africa? From Africa, coffee bean and green bhindi. Coffee bean and green bhindi, they came from Africa. They crossed the land, they crossed the seed. Did you know this? Okay. Here you can see there is something written in Hindi as well, isn't it? Let's read this. What is written? Let me see from here. Okay, interesting. आलू मिर्ची चाय जी, कौन कहाँ से आए जी. आलू मिर्ची चाय. ओके, कौन कहाँ से आए जी. आलू मिर्ची चाय जी, कौन कहाँ से आए जी. ओके, दिस इज ओनली रिटन. आलू मिर्ची चाय जी, कौन कहाँ से आए जी. That's what it's written here. Okay. We all know about the bhindi. It is called okra and methi is called fenugreek. Okay, children. Now, a mango sang, "Come in, come in." An orange smiled inside its skin. "Welcome to India," a banana said. The methi and spinach, brinjal and radish nodded its head. So they all are from India. That's why they are welcoming these vegetables to India. Okay, did you know this? This is very interesting, yeah? So what all has grown in India long ago, what all was grown in India long ago? So these were grown in these are the spinach and all, they are from India. Were mango and bananas grown here? You have to say yes or no. Yes. What came from other countries? So we just studied about them. So the potatoes, the peas, the tomato, the cabbage, the chilies, right? The coffee bean, the bhindi and all, they have come from outside. Imagine the food without potatoes and tomatoes. Potatoes and tomatoes have come from South America. It has come from South America. And what would have happened if there would be no potatoes and tomatoes? So if there would be no potatoes, no finger chips for you. Yeah. And tomato, everybody likes tomato, no? Ketchup, You all like to eat everything with the ketchup, right? So there would have been no potato and no ketchup, no tomatoes if there would be. So it's so good, no, that it traveled all the way from India and we could also enjoy now. Yeah. So children, here we are done with the chapter, and so now I'm sending you the question answer. So please write it down in your copy, okay, and draw all the diagrams.